88, we've got 88 dovetails we need to do.
Yeah.
And so using our, the guys come up with cool names for stuff, right? R2R, ready to rock. It's so funny.
Sorry, Tom. Yeah, you're right. Okay.
So our programmer for this, because there's only 88 parts, we're only going to do one station. So he's right now using P88 and P90.
Okay.
It looks like, yeah. And then that'll be the same here. Yeah.
Make it work.
The dovetail program's easy because it's only like 3 or 4 tools, so you can actually leave the tools in a couple machines around the shop, and wherever you can squeeze it in, the tools are already preset in the machine.
Is the blue anodized base a product of yours?
Yeah. Yeah. That comes. We actually have it like a kit where you get the rock wash base,
Yep.
and then the 2 blue bases and 4 vices kind of as a package.
Even for like Op-Zero and stuff, to go and buy that. Like let's say the dovetail plus a couple of critical off the left side, keep your density higher here.
Yeah.
I like that.
With the heat-treated parts, we'll do a lot of that where we'll do some rough machining and do the dovetail, then heat-treat it.
Yep.
Comes back from heat-treat, now you've got the dovetail on there, and you can do all your precision, stuff like on the Hermley what we saw is exactly that, where they've got multiple dovetails on a little tree. And yeah, then you've moved that rough machining, pre-heat treat and onto a less expensive machine, yeah.